Watch out, here comes the adorable little train.
Wow, what a long train. There's plenty of room to create something amazing. Let's borrow a few sections and attach a truck cab. Now it's a powerful crane truck. Add a couple more sections and it becomes a handy forklift. One more section turns it into a strong bulldozer. Make it even longer and it's a busy cement mixer truck or a sturdy road roller. The longest train of all transforms into a huge oil tanker truck. With just a few changes, one train can become so many exciting vehicles. If you guys also want the toy, first, subscribe to my channel,